Good morning, class. I am Ira T. Conciliado and I am with my co-demonstrator, Tidrel Abel and Rudel Heribisi. So now, our discussion is all about simple present tense with understandable context. But before we proceed to our discussion, let me read first our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students be able to first identify verbs in the simple present tense used in story, video, or dialogue. Next is construct sentences using verbs in the simple present tense. Demonstrate understanding of the simple present tense by acting out daily routines and creating dialogue. So once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
May I call on Ms. Bacaro to lead the prayer? Bacaro, present ma'am. Miot, present. Villanueva, present ma'am. Hoya, present. Okay, so before we begin our discussion, who can recall what we learned in the previous lesson about common action words? Miss Hoya? We learned about verbs like eat, run, and read. Okay, thank you. Today we will learn about using these words in sentences to talk about our routines and habits. We often talk about things we do every day, like waking up, eating, and studying. Let's watch a short video about daily routines and identify the action words used in it.
Hi! Let me tell you about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I eat breakfast in the kitchen and feed my dog. Next, I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I do my makeup. And I leave home around 8:30. I work downtown, so I drive my car every day. I start work at 9 o'clock, and I always arrive a few minutes early. I have lunch with my co-workers around noon.
What did you observe in the video? Can someone name some actions? Okay, Ms. Villanueva.
The person wakes up, brushes their teeth, and eat breakfast.
Okay. So, yes, wake up, brush, and eat are examples of actions. These are in the simple present tense. So now, my co-demonstrator, Tidrel Abel, will discuss simple present tense and she will also give you some practices.
So now, let's talk about simple present tense. So, in the simple present tense, we use the base form of the verb for plural objects. So, and add s or as for singular objects. So, for example, she reads books and they play games. So now, let's do some practice. Complete these sentences. So, who wants to go through it? For number 1? For letter A, rather. Ms. Hoya, please answer the first one. Okay, sorry. So next, who wants to answer letter B? Next, bring yourself. become plates. Second, read become read, and there is no changes in the second one. And third is chase become chases. So S being added to the singular form of the verb. So now I will divide you into two groups. Each group will receive flashcards with verbs, and your task is to create a short dialogue or act out a daily routine using simple present tense. So first, you're okay, but first count from 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1. Follow.
2.
1, 2, 1. Okay, group 1 is here and group 2 here. Okay, settle down. So first for the group 1 and for the group 2. I'll repeat the direction as your task is to create a short dialogue. So, or act out a daily routine using the simple present tense that I give. So, I will give you 5 minutes to finish that task.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. We would like to borrow a literal books for our research.
Sure, just write down your names in the record book.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Group 2. Now let's proceed to the presentation of Group 1. Hi everyone, we are the Group 1 and our word is run. So, what exercise have you been in these past few days? Like specific exercises?
I've been running this past few days.
Oh my god, yes. Running is good for your health. Wow, maybe I should try running too.
So that's What a wonderful performance you gave them to us. So now I will give the ratings for your very hard work and perseverance.
Yes.
So for group 2, tada tada. So for group 2, out of 50, you got 49 points. So for the second one, for group 1, out of 50, you got perfect. Very good. So now, let's proceed to a very quick quiz. Okay, so please get a 1 word for our quiz. And so for the direction, identify the correct form of the verb. You identify what's the correct form of the verb in this three question or in this 3 sentence. So okay, now begin. I'll give you just 5 minutes to answer. Okay, please pass your paper forward. For number 1, she blank go to school every day. So instead of go, it will she goes to school every day. So let's proceed to the second one. They blank study after dinner. So the study will not be replaced. So they study after dinner. So the third one, the dog bark loudly. So instead of bark, we will add S to the bark and the dog barks loudly. So that's the answer. So next, I will give you an index card. Please pass. Okay, so for the direction, think about your daily routines. Write a short paragraph describing your day using the simple present tense. Again, think about your daily routines. So what is your daily routines? And write a short paragraph describing your day using the simple present tense. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer that question or to answer that activity. Okay, time's up. Please pass your paper.
And now, what did you learn about the simple present tense today? A1, okay, that was made now.
Today, I've learned that we use simple present tense to talk about our habits and routines.
Marvelous, thank you. Now, for our evaluation, so the direction is complete the sentence using the correct form of the verb. You have 5 minutes to answer the questions, and the time is time. Okay, time is up. Pass your paper forward. Next for our additional activities for application, so for homework, write a dialogue between 2 friends talking about their daily routine using a list 5 sentences in sample present